Okay, if you're looking at 2.3, we had a question about problem solving number 4. Problem solving number 4 said Bellevue Christian School had a drive to collect aluminum cans. The total weight, oh my, this is just not picking up, is it? The total weight of the cans, goodness, total weight was 3/8 of a ton. Now if we keep reading, it says, the recycling company paid 26 cents per pound. Okay, and so they want to know how much did these students make that collected these cans? How much did they earn? I'll just put how much earned. Okay, now here's the thing. If we knew how many pounds they collected, we know that how we'd get our answer is to multiply that number of pounds by 26 cents for each pound, but we don't know how many pounds, right? So let's think about it. We basically, what we got to do here is find the number of pounds. This thing just does not want to work today. Find the number of pounds and then we're going to multiply that by 26. Okay. All right, so here's what we're going to do. We don't know the pounds, but we do know that we have 3/8 tons. So I could, there's a couple of ways I can do this. Why don't I just go ahead and do this as a unit conversion, okay? I know that I want to get rid of the tons, and I want to end up with pounds, right? Okay, so I got to think, how many tons are in a pound, or how many pounds are in a ton? Oh, there's 2,000 pounds in 1 ton, right? So if I get confused about what to do, these little unit conversion fractions can kind of help me get going here. And it is kind of confusing because we got this fraction here. So now, if I look at it, my tons are going to cancel out, and I'm going to end up with 3 times 2,000 pounds on top, which that would be 6,000 pounds. And on the bottom, I end up with 8 times 1, and there's no units, so we don't have to worry about that. So really what I got to do is take 6,000 and divide it by 8. So I'm going to use a calculator for that. I get 750, and remember, that's 750 pounds. Now, another way I could have thought of this is I have 3/8 of a ton. I could think, well, what's 1/8 of a ton? That would be 2,000 pounds, which is a ton, divided by 8, and I'd get a number, and then I would, and that number I think would be 250, and I would multiply it by the 3 on top. So, that's kind of, it's not, you could do it, but you see now kind of why these unit fractions are kind of nice here. I got 750 pounds. Now, I'm not done yet. That's how many pounds I had. I did that part, but I'm supposed to multiply that number, the number of pounds, by 26 cents. I should put a 0.26. So now I just need to say 750 pounds. And then we're getting 26 cents a pound, so there's 750 times, we'll get that 26 cents. And we get $195. Oops. Okay. All right, so got that one down.